So in this next example, they want us to determine where the graph is increasing. Now, we have to know a little bit about how to read these graphs and write the interval notation. So we will use interval notation. We're given the function p of t, and then they give us the graph of the function, and we identify the intervals on which the function appears to be increasing. Okay, so if you read the graph from left to right, which is what we do, you see it starts out, up here, and then it's decreasing, right, until it gets to right there. There's a local minimum there, okay, and then it starts to increase, right? So then it's increasing up to, then it stops right there, okay? Then it looks like and that's a local maximum, and then it looks like it's kind of decreasing a little bit to there, and then it's increasing again. So there was another local minimum, and then it's increasing there. So I put the increasing parts in orange. So that's how we look at this graph, though, going from left to right. It was decreasing, then it was increasing, then it decreased for a little bit, and then it was increasing again. Our problem says identify the intervals on which the function appears to be increasing. And you just have to read these off the graph. There's no other way to do it because they don't give us an equation for the function. So, okay, so it looks like right here I'm going to say that's from 1 to 3. It's increasing. Now, a little bit about the interval notation. Why am I using parentheses and not square brackets? Because at those minimums and maximums, I should say it right after I went over all that, at the local extrema, they're not increasing or decreasing. That's like the high and the low point. It's not changing at that spot, okay? So you don't include the 1 or the 3, okay? So it's an open, what we call an open interval, because it's not including those end points. And you don't include them because it's actually not increasing or decreasing at 1. It's just the extreme. Okay. And let's see, we had another increasing section, and then it starts here at 4, increasing up to infinity. So we're going to say from 4 to infinity. Okay? Those would be the intervals where the function is increasing.